phrase is actually. Actually, I have experience with that. We actually delivered under budget. Actually, that's not quite right. Here's what actually does. It signals you're surprised you have value. It sounds like you're defending yourself from an accusation no one's made. Delete it. I have experience with that. We delivered under budget. That's not accurate. When you remove actually, the same sentence sounds authoritative. This separates people who get heard in meetings from people who get ignored.